Hello, 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 hello. Ụmụnne m ekene m unu na-anabata unu n'afọ ọfụ 2024. Happy New Year, my dear people, my dear brothers and sisters. Ndị ọma nji mụọ Happy New Year. I promise you, this year is going to be our best year yet. Yes, it is going to be a blissful year for you and for me. Agreed? Yes, approved. Okay. Umunnem, you might be asking, where is this lady? What have I been up to? Yeah, I went to finish up my program. I've been running a PhD program for quite a while. So I said to go and finish it up because you know now how it could be, how it can get sometimes. I thought I could manage this, manage that, and that, and that. But obviously, I couldn't manage all I've got on my plate. So I said to put this on hold for a while, then go and finish up. I did my defense on the 22nd of December. So your girl is now a PhD holder. Your congratulations are quite in order. Yes, we give all the glory to God. So back to the channel. I am fully back to the channel. Expect more consistency now. And please do well to share and subscribe if you've not done so. Please like this channel, like my videos, share, comment. I would like to see your comments because it encourages me to do more. Okay, I will see you in my next one. Okay, Messi.